Hello guys, welcome once again to our new video related to WordPress. In this video, we'll be discussing about using theme and page builder to create any type of website. So in the previous videos, we have discussed about creating a website on localhost. We have also discussed about transferring our local website to a server website. So we have discussed things like that. Now in this video, we are discussing about uh, installing a theme on this particular website which we just created. So this is digisanagency.rf.gd. This is kind of a sample website that we are building for a digital marketing agency. And in this website, you can see by default the theme that is provided by WordPress has been installed. We will install our own theme and we will try to build something more unique here. For example, let's say this is a website which we have recently created using WordPress. So on this website, you can see it is website for those students who want to prepare for NEET exam, which is for medical entrance exam in India. Now in this website, you can see we have this image and all, everything is given here. And the most important thing is this website is also responsive. So if you will see this website from mobile device, it will respond accordingly to mobile devices. It has various sections also, so you can create something like this very easily. And how this type of website can be created, or in fact how any kind of website can be created using WordPress, we will discuss in this particular section. So we will use a theme and a page builder to create. So there are, when we are talking about page builders, so Elementor is a very famous name when it comes to page builder. So but in this website we will use some different sort of tools. You can also use this Elementor page builder, although the application and the usage of all these page builders and everything will be almost same. So very quickly let's get started and then we will discuss the things. So here we will simply write wp-admin. So just after URL you have to write wp-admin, and then you can log in with your credentials. Remember, we created these credentials when we were installing WordPress. So you also saw how using Softaculous in this infinity-free.net web hosting we installed WordPress on our website. Now here you can see our dashboard, and in our dashboard you can see we have appearance, and in appearance there is a option for viewing themes. Now the currently 2021 theme is installed because it's year 2021. Most probably in the next year WordPress will launch another theme. If you are just here for blogging purpose, then any of these themes will do the trick for you. But again, if you want to build something like this, if you have some custom requirement, or for example we have a different section here in which we have installed a different website. So this is a coaching finder here. So here you can see we just have a search box, and after the search box we have some things like this. So if you want to do something like this, then we are discussing about some themes here. So the first thing that we are doing here is just going to add themes, and when you will go to add themes you will see this Astra theme, or as an Indian I will call it Astra theme, or whatever you want to call it. So let's say it is Astra, and now we will install this theme. So this theme has a very unique way of creating WordPress websites, and I think if you will follow this particular theme, so you can create any type of website because they provide many templates. Means whether you want to create website for an educational institute, whether you want to create website for a real estate agency, whether you want to create website for a digital marketing agency, or anything that you want to do, you can do with the help of this theme and a page builder. So now I will pause this video while this installation is being done. Now the theme is installed. We will click on activate. This will obviously activate the theme for us. Now it will say thank you for installing Astra. Now let's get started. So let's get started. It is activating some templates for us. So you can see here, did you know Astra comes with dozens of ready to use starter templates. So you can use those templates also. And now it is activating. Again, because this is a free hosting, so it is taking a little bit more time. But if you will do it on a paid hosting, so it will give you the speed will be fast. Now here you can see the thing that I was referring to earlier was this Elementor thing. Now here you can see we have these very famous builders: Gutenberg, Elementor, Beaver Builder, or Breezy. So this Gutenberg builder is kind of the default WordPress editor, which comes in new WordPress installations. So we will not install anything additional here. We will use Gutenberg editor or Gutenberg editor, whatever we call it. And here you optionally you can use this Elementor builder also. Sorry about that. So we will use this Gutenberg editor here, and now you can see once the starter templates and everything has been activated by Astra themes, and we can see Gutenberg here. In this drop down you can select page builder of your choice. There is one more thing that you have to do, because we have selected this Gutenberg editor. So make sure you don't have classic editor installed here. By default, most of the times while installing WordPress, classic editor gets installed here. So make sure you don't have classic editor here. And now we will go to appearance and themes. So here, when you will select the default options from Astra themes, you will see that this particular plugin is started templates by Brainstorm Force. This will get installed. Again, this is one type of theme and one type of theme builder. Most of the process are similar. We saw that in a previous example also, where we discussed about creating website with the help of another theme provider. So we are not talking in particular about only one theme and one type of plugin here, but again this will give you a simple demonstration of how things are done in WordPress. Now go to appearance and go to starter templates here, and here you will see all templates. We will select only free templates this time. These are the free templates, and when you will scroll down here, you will see a template, this template. This is online course template. So this particular template has been installed on this website. So you can see here that on this website we have installed this particular template here, this template. So we have created our own logo, we have changed the heading. So the thing is, these starter templates will give you a complete site. You can see home page, all courses page, about us page, instructors page, pricing and FAQ page, and contact page. They will give you everything. All you have to do is you just have to import this complete site. So this makes building the site very easy, also very quick. So in 1 to 2 days we finished developing this particular website. Now let's go back, because our job is to create template for a digital marketing agency. You can see here We have organic store, we have brand store, we have meditation course and all. So let's find something for agency. So here we can choose something like this. This is our local business, or we can choose okay, you can see here it is mentioned as digital agency. So they have already provided a template here. The most important thing here is you can see they will provide all pages for us. This is home page, and this is how home page will look, and this is services page. This is how services page will look. So all these templates are responsive. Let's see another template, otherwise we will final this template, we will install this template. This is also business coaching and consulting. So let's see how this will look. So here is a home page where we have some person in the background and topics and all. So this looks more clean to me. Here the contact page is also more detailed. So, and the services page is also detailed. So what we are going to do here is we will install this particular site. So again, you can choose any of these sites. It has very eye pleasing templates, and most important thing is you can add more elements also. For example, these elements are given to you. If you want, you can remove any particular element that you don't want. We call them sections. So for example, let's open imagine new tab, so that it, and let's zoom it. Okay, so this is how website is going to look, and here you can see this is featured something like section where you will show logo of your clients. This is topics I discuss. Here you can mention some of your keywords, your services and all, and here is also what type of services are you providing, and here is about me. You can change it to about us and something. Here is the image of the creator and some message from the creator and signature. So you can use it for some different purpose. Also here are some testimonials, what your clients are saying. So you can ask your clients to write some testimonials for you that you can put here. If you are building website for some client, so again you can ask them to ask their clients to provide testimonials, or you can get some testimonials from their Google business page or their Just Dial listing or their Yelp listing, whatever. You can take reference of some testimonials that are given to the client and all. Here you can mention phone number and all. So you can see this template is there. You can add, for example, if you want to add something between these two sections, so you can add anything here also. So all you have to do is you have to click import complete site. It may show you some steps. So I am a WordPress, let's say I am a WordPress expert, or you can write beginner also. I am building this for myself or company, whatever you want to provide, you can provide them. And we want to import all these settings. We want to install the required plugins also, and we want to import the content also, means these images and all. Although we can change the images and text and everything later. So once we will import all this, our website will look exactly it is looking in the starter templates. Then we can change all things as per our requirement. So they want our first name and work email. If you want, you can give them these details, or you can click skip. Now it is importing. Again, I am going to pause this video, so because the import process can take couple of minutes or more than that. It is importing content now. You can see the process has started. So now you can see importing has been completed, and now we can see our website, and this is how our website is looking right now. You can see the website is just looking as it was looking in the templates. That's why I suggested this theme and these templates. Although similar type of themes and similar type of templates are available for pro versions also, means you have to pay them, or if you don't want to pay anything, you can go with these options also. And before creating all this, you can show some templates to your clients also if you are creating something for them, so that when the clients will agree to some prototype, so you can build something like that here. Now here you can see we have about page created with the slug about. This is slug, the last part of the URL, which is about here. Remember, for SEO purpose, your slug should be like this. If your slug is not showing you the name of the page or name of the post, so go to settings and go to permalink settings. Permalinks is the structure of your URL. So here you can see my this URL is selected, this day and name. So in my post, my the post name and post date will be displayed. I don't want this. I just want post name. So this is the most suitable setting for search engine optimization of your website and save settings. So if somehow you are not able to see the page name there, in most of the cases you will see that. Always make sure that your plain structure is not selected. If plain structure is selected, in that case your URLs will not be SEO friendly. That is not a good thing for branding of your website and promotion of your website. Now you can see about us page has been created, services page has been created. So all the pages are created here, and all we have to do is, even contact page has been created, and all we have to do, we just have to edit all these things. So now we will start editing some things in this particular part of the video, and then we will continue rest of the things in the later part. So now what you have to do here, you have to edit this page. The simple thing, just visit your website, open any page, make sure you are logged in as administrator, and edit this page. So you can see welcome to the block editor. This is something that WordPress provides you. This is the Gutenberg editor provided by WordPress itself. So we have not installed any additional plugin here for editing part. Now here you can see two tabs, page and block. So in page you can see the status and visibility, means this particular page or post is visible to public. This is the published date, you can change it. This is the permalink, means at what URL this page will be accessible to the users, because this is a home page, so this will be accessible to this particular URL. Here is the featured image, we don't want any featured image here. This is the discussion, means do you want to allow comments on this particular page. This is the page attribute, means is this page a sub page of anything. For example, you have some services. For example, I have digital marketing service, and inside digital marketing service there is affiliate marketing service. So digital marketing service, just a minute. So let's say digital marketing service is main service, and inside digital marketing we have affiliate, we have search engine marketing, and we have social media marketing. So these are all, let's put marketing here. So affiliate marketing, search engine marketing, social media marketing. So this is the parent page will be digital marketing page, where you will write about what is digital marketing, what are the benefits of digital marketing and all. Then you can also create separate pages for your different services, like what is affiliate marketing, what is search engine optimization and all. So this is parent page here. This is sidebar. So as you can see in this particular page, there is no sidebar. We discussed about this. In some of the pages, like in blogs and articles, you will see sidebars. Sidebars are basically provided here. So do you want sidebar for this post or not? So for this page or post, if you want left sidebar, right sidebar, so you can provide those settings here. And then in the widgets section, so you can see appearance and widget section. So here is the widgets section for us. Here you will see this is our main sidebar. Okay, so this is what will be displayed inside a sidebar. For example, a post is written here. By default, WordPress provides. So, because it's a free hosting, they are showing some message. So this is a post page, and here in the post page, you will see that we have full width here, or a box width here. If you will edit this post, and you will go here, and in the sidebar you will select, let's say, right sidebar, update it, and now view the post. Now you will have a right sidebar, and whatever there is inside this right sidebar, you can manage it from the widget section. Okay, so from the widget section you can manage, for example, recent post, recent comment, archives, categories, recent post, and whatever settings you guys see here, these are available from the right sidebar. Similarly, there are footer widgets. So just in the footer part, this is footer widget 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the footer widgets. Let me in any type of website, you will see in footer there are mainly 3 or 4 widgets, so you can show those footer widgets also. So this is how it is done. And now, to manage your footer widgets also, let's first close all these unnecessary things. So to manage your footer widgets, what you have to do, you have to just have to go here, and you have to mention this thing, because again, please ignore that message, it will not come in your hosting. So now we will come to the footer widgets, and we will create a separate video for widget settings, but for now we are just editing the home page, and here it is written Lisa Martin helping you build inner resilience. Here we can put something like, so click here and you can edit it from here itself. Let's say DigiSan agency. So we are writing DigiSan agency. So here in this big heading, we can put best digital marketing agency. So you can use something like this, and then you can mention some details here. You can mention let's work together. In this let's work together, there is a link, so you can create a page in your WordPress website or a post in your WordPress website, or you can type contact us, so you can redirect them to your contact page. So now you just have placed a link on your call to action. Let's update this, and let's see, you will see that your changes have been made here. Let's say we want to remove this image and use something else here instead of this. So just click on this outer block here. So just click on this block here where nothing else, no other block is there, and you will see an image here. Click on this image and let's change this image. So to change the image, you have replace option here. So click on replace. Now you can open the media library. Here you will see some free images also provided by different vendors. Here we will see, let's type digital marketing here, because we are building something for digital marketing. So you can download these images from Pixabay, You can download an image from anywhere, or even if you have your own agency's image, so you can put your agency image here, or we can provide some random image here. So let's say we want to provide, let's use this image right now. So this is the image that we are going to use here. We will select it. Let's open media library once again and save and insert. So now you can see the image has been inserted, and this is how we change the image. Now the website has already started looking different from what it was earlier here now. So this is DigiSan agency, best digital marketing agency. Remember, whatever your primary keywords are, you can put your primary keywords in big headings. And here you can see, we cannot see this let's work together thing. So let's go back and fix that. So all these things you can do using the editor here. And this makes this theme, and this makes this template builder really easy to understand. Now here you can see, just roll back here, you can see the text color. So let's say we want the text color to be black. Let's update that. Let me fix this. So here when we'll click on this element, you will see different options for it. For example, it is fill or outline. So, and now click on the text color part, and let's use this white text color here. And again, here is the color setting. So text color, we are going to use this text color. Now let's update. Again, these sort of settings will come to you by hit and try also. So for different themes, this will be different. So now it is visible. Let's work together. So when someone will click on this, so they will be redirected to this contact page. Now in the next part, we will discuss about changing this logo. We will discuss about changing content of other pages. Although changing content of pages and everything will be the same, you just have to click edit page, and this builder will come in front of you. You can click on any text, and you can just start typing. We provide, so whatever you want to write here, scroll down, click on this, change the heading, click on this text, change the text. You even click on this, change the color and background color and everything. You can change it. Minimum height is 470 pixels. You can change this height to, let's say, 440 pixels. So you can do all these things, or you can simply drag this. So it's up to you what type of setting you want to do. So in the next part, please don't forget to update things. In the next part, we will see how we can change the logo and other things that we can do in this particular website to make it more user friendly. So we will see that in the next part.